your hair. Then, the bangs are divided according to the character design. The width of the bangs doesn't need to be too strict. Do as you like. If you like it more detailed, make it finer if you like. It doesn't block the eyes. After clamping both sides with the clips. Layer pruning. It is recommended to start thinning from the roots. This way, there will be less lint damage. Bangs don't need to be layered too much. I have 3 floors here. If you get too much, even if you cover it, you can't see it. Use the deck to adjust the shape more. Spray some hairspray to start with a thin second layer. The steps are the same as before. Use the deck to adjust more often. Note that from this layer onward, you need to remove the hair tumor. It's like drafting a draft first. This is the last layer above. Just follow the direction of the second layer to pinch. This is the third layer of thinning. The later parts of the tumor are developed according to the character design. When tapping the hair tumor, remember to pinch the volume with your fingernail. Otherwise, ordinary light and shadow won't be visible. There is no sense of depth. I've been pinching here for a long time too. Everyone should adjust more. Filmed in a different location. Because I always move from the elbow muscles to the hand muscles. After the center bangs are done, make the inner corner and corner on the side. My habit is to do it first. Make both sides in the middle. Finally, do the back of the head. Just follow your own habits. Thin it a bit. Be sure to reserve the length. Leave it brief here. There was no room for regret. Use your hands to create a curve. The connection with the middle bangs isn't good. Comb it with a comb. Spray some hairspray. Then he was summoned to the mouse stream. The right part is on top of the angle of the angle. Pay attention to the front and back occlusion relationships. So let's start with convergence and angle combination. Here, the root is still thin. Then the splintles don't need to be overly competitive. A little curve is enough. While waiting for the hair gel to dry, let's move on to the left side, so it blocked the camera. The method is the same as on the right. Here, the area comes out from the top of the shoe, still thin and decked. Remember the knocking hair flow. Because of the video length, later, you need to start cutting out many parts. Doing the hair is the same old 3. A dull and tasteless process. So everyone should practice more. Okay, both sideburns are finished here. Let's see what's strange. Adjust it. Then I started lifting the right bangs backward. Let me demonstrate it for you. 2 different gel methods. Just choose according to your preferences. This is the inward buckle method where the wrist turns outward. The radian angle is small. It is a flat plane. Then comes the second type. Turn your wrist toward your chest. This way, it looks more lifted when picked up. It can expose the bottom surface. It has a relatively 3-dimensional effect. I don't know what kind of character modeling it is. It looks rather ordinary. Just do what you like. I'm also a bit of a half-hearted person. Wait for the gap in the hair gel rod. Divide these 3 bird feathers into sections.